Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Fan Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz style. This vehicle comes in a short wheelbase format and features a 77 kilowatt hour battery pushing out 204 PS. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, first and foremost is the lovely metallic paint Energetic Orange. Up front we'll find a set of IQ LED and Matrix headlights as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the ID Buzz sits on a set of 20-inch Solna black diamond turned surface alloy wheels. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, we'll find privacy glass lining the rear windows as well as the rear heated windscreen. The vehicle also features a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot space of the vehicle, we'll find a retractable parcel shelf as well as a multi-flex board. Allowing for some additional storage options, we'll find some VW cargo storage boxes in the back. Access for the rear passengers can be found on either side of the vehicle. In the back there's a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. All the seats come finished in the lovely mule cloth upholstery, and in the two outermost seats for the rear passengers have access to some folding tables. Moving up front in the cab area we'll find two singular seats, both with two armrests each, and again being finished in that lovely mule cloth upholstery. In the centre of the dash in the forms of entertainment we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system includes inbuilt navigation as well as allowing you to access all your favourite radio stations, alternatively connecting your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. In the centre of the two front seats we'll find the Buzz Box, which features a window scraper as well as a bottle opener, and in front of the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel finished in a lovely black colour and also featuring touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz style. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.